Hey, this is Brett, live from St. Louis, Missouri, and I'm here interviewing George Moore. Now, George is my cousin. He's coming to do our 7th annual tech party.
I cannot believe it's been 7 years, Brett. It's crazy.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Now, George, what are you going to be talking about this year?
Everything that has to do with sewing technology. There's been some major breakthroughs this year, and you're going to want to be here because you do not have to sew. You love to sew, and anytime I can show you something that will save you time, you're going to love it. And the special deals, we talked about that today.
Okay, so we did get special deals from many of our manufacturers and vendors, but also, don't forget, we have lots of giveaways also, so you won't want to miss this.
Yep.
And it is September 6th through the 9th at our stores. You want to go to MontavillaSewing.com to see when to sign up.
And the prizes, a manufacturer, they have to donate prizes to be part of Tech Party. That's what we do. And so you've got machines, you've got designs, you've got all kinds of goodies, right?
Yep.
Right? And if you don't, I'll throw it in.
Don't. So, George.
Yes.
Can you give us a little sneak peek of what we may take a look at?
Well, okay. So I can.
But just tease us a little bit.
All right. So there's a new hoop. There's new software upgrades. There's a new fabric printer.
Whoa.
Boy, there's so much. My mind just went blank. I mean, it's just crazy good. I mean, you really want to show up. If you missed this event, your friends are going to tell you how much you missed, and you don't want that.
We look forward to seeing you there September 6th to the 9th. Go to MontavillaSewing.com to sign up. Thank you.